According to a recent study, 30% of Americans work a side hustle to earn an extra income, while 20% of them use that extra income to pay off debts. So understanding the top 4 ways of earning money and also applying them into your financial goals can help you achieve the financial freedom and abundance you desire. So let's kick off with the point number 1. Trading your time for money. This is the most common method because it involves also working a job or providing a service. The pros of this method is that it's easy to get started, and also it's easy because if you have any type of skills, maybe you're a videographer, you're a photographer, you're a video editor, it's easy to start making an extra income, maybe on Upwork, on Indeed, or applying for online job, but you're just trading your time for money. The downside to this method is that your potential of earning is limited, as there are also a finite number of hours in a day. So that means your earnings are tied up to the amount of hours you spend working. Additionally, you can't really make an extra passive income from this method because you can't really make money while you sleep. Let me give you an example. A lawyer who bills their clients hourly is earning money by trading their time for money, which means they get paid based on the amount of time they spend working a case. The downside is that the lawyer can't really make an extra passive income while they are asleep because the amount of earnings is based on the amount of time they spend working a case. The second way of earning money is by trading information for a fee. This can be done in many ways. Maybe it's writing a book, or it's an online course, or maybe it's like offering consultation services. And the reason why this is one of the most favorable way of earning money is because you can earn an extra income because you have created a product once and also earning a residual income from it while you sleep. The downside to this method, or the cons, is that you are just trying to spend a lot of time creating this course or maybe a product, maybe it's an application or a website, but you have to spend a lot of time making sure that you're providing a high quality product that people are willing to pay for, which means you have to do a little bit of research, also actually a deep research on your product, and also know if your product is needed on the market. Let's take a quick example. An author who writes books and earns royalties from sales is earning money by providing information for a fee, which means they create product once and earning money from it for years. So maybe you're wondering, well, that's a fair trade, but the downside to this is that it can take a lot of time and efforts to create this one product, and there's no guarantee that you will sell, which is the most uncomfortable position you can be in. The third way of earning money is by providing a service or a product for a fee. Now, this is the most popular method of making money, especially for business, because there are a lot of opportunities to make more money by providing a service or selling something. The pros of this method is that you have more control over your income, which means there is a potential for growth and scalability. The downside to this method is that it's a really highly competitive market out there, which requires you a lot of effort and also strategic thinking to have success. For example, my company says, so we earn money by providing services for fee, which means we have more control over our income, our revenue, which means also we can also scale our business to a certain level that we want by providing more products to the market. The downside to our part is that the software market is highly competitive and it takes a lot of time and efforts to develop and market a successful product. The fourth and the final way of making money is by putting something to work for you. This can be done in a form of investment like real estate or passive income sources or S&P 500. And the pros to this method are that it requires a little bit effort on your side once the initial work is done. And you can earn money while you sleep with potential for a significant return. But you have to realize this is a risky method sometimes because there is a potential of you losing your money if you don't make smart investment decisions. For example, someone who invests in a rental property is earning money by putting something to work for them, meaning they collect rent each month and also earn a passive income from the property. But the downside is that the property market can be volatile, and there's a risk of you losing your money if the property doesn't appreciate itself or maybe the unforeseen expenses. Overall, understanding the top 4 ways of making money that I just told you can help you make informed decisions on the ways you can increase your income and also get that financial freedom and abundance you desire. By combining different methods, you can create multiple streams of income and also make a passive income for yourself. However, Each method has its pros and cons, so it's essential that you choose the best method that aligns with your goals, your resources, and also risk tolerance. If you want to know how I'm making an extra 10K every month by using ChatGPT, watch this video.